Oy! Naput-
Everybody asking how we doing, say we good. Don't need no one to tell me how to live just like they would. It ain't their business, but they in it, I don't know why. Revolved around my life after I found another.
Ito na po, welcome to the vlog. Ayan na, medyo umuga daw yung ngipin ni Bunso. Sa sobrang tapang niya, gusto nang pahigit. Pwede na! Ang malupit nito, walang dentist. Meron dental. Ayan, medyo hihigitin daw to.
Kailan? Okay lang.
Hihigitin niya na, sinulid ah. Napakatapang. Ayan dyan yung mga audience niya. Ayan na. Pare, bibilang ka ha. Bibilang ka.
1, 2,
3.
Oy! Naputol, teka, hindi na nasama.
Hindi na tanggal. Hindi na tanggal.